This video is all about civil engineering. If you wish to design bridges, dams, roads, tunnels, buildings, trains, pipelines, or even aircraft or spacecraft structures, civil engineering is a major to consider. Subfields of civil engineering. First is the structural engineering. It is about estimating and comprehending a structure's forces, strength, and stability. Elective classes includes statics. It is about forces and systems that are not moving in. Reinforced concrete design. Reinforced by putting steel beams in the concrete. Lab. Place the rebar, reinforcing rods, and wet concrete on the top of steel. After it has dried, use a machine to hold the beam in both directions. Structural dynamics, about moving systems. Seismic analysis, calculating the response of a structure to an earthquake. Bridge engineering, class in highway bridges, materials used, distribution of loads, and how forces are spread throughout the structure. Mechanics of materials, how twisting and bending a beam or column causes it to become internally stressed. And timber structure design, about analyzing properties and forces within wooden structures. Geotechnical engineering deals with the behavior of earth components such as rock and soil, with soil being the primary focus. The structural engineer can do everything right to ensure that the building will stand, but if the geotechnical engineer makes a mistake and you construct on soil that can support it or is uneven, the structure could collapse, sink into the ground, or even lean to one side. Like the most famous Leaning Tower of Pisa, which was caused by soil problems. Water resources engineering, about the design of systems to manage human water resources. They could work in a water treatment facility, dams, pipelines, channels, canals, and storm drain systems in the case of a large storm. Where will all of the water go, and how will you get it to the ocean as quickly as possible? They might also create a canal, which is a man-made channel used to transfer water for irrigation. They may also create a culvert to allow water to flow beneath a road or trail. Elective classes to take are coastal hydraulics and open channel hydraulics. Coastal hydraulics is where you can learn ocean wave propagation, submerged pipelines, and seawalls. And the last subfield of civil engineering is the transportation engineering. It is about concerning the movement of products and people in a safe and efficient manner. Engineers who designed streets, roads, highways, trains, public transit systems, and airports fall into this category. These engineers demand for a new development. They optimize how the new development impacts existing traffics. They work more on geometrics. Transportation engineers determines how many lanes are needed based on traffic and how merging could happen. They evaluate potential improvements in terms of transportation rather than create a totally new design. They optimize the existing one. That's all for today's video.